Guys, my video ended. There should be no reason why that happened. It's working now. There's no one's gotta be extra. So now never mind. There's no.
Oh my god! No way! We have been waiting for this update for so long. Oh my god! Yes! Yes!
Where is it? Wow.
Oh my god! I'm broke. I can't afford one.
Why?
The flea.
Yeah, we need a light. We need a light.
Hey, come here. Come
Okay,
down.
we need to go in there, find the key, and get out.
Sir, please let. Yo, do you have one of those, please? Sir, can I get one? Who?
Guys, I just got back. From a long trip. Wait, can I
Yo, just
buy
wait
these?
for me, bro.
They made a whole. Oh
I don't know
my
where you are.
gosh! Whee! Whee! This is a little boring. It's just shoes.
Wait, so where's that little house that y'all talking about, the hunting?
Oh, yeah, that is pretty scary, but I'm trying to find it. Oh no, you. I am coming back. Take a left. Alright, guys, wait up.
This is way better.
Guys, be careful. There's a guy with a bone in there that just instantly kills you. Down here. We're good.
I think I may have
Guys, why
this.
do we have to go back up?
I have
Come on,
my original setup. Woo! What? Why is my
Guys, be careful. There's a guy that kills you with a bone and steals your items in the mountain.
That's the guy.
Guys,
That's the guy.
Sure, he's like a light blue monkey.
I think I found him.
Don't forget it.
Wait, is this the guy with the bow?
He just killed you for no reason.
This is not the guy with. Wait! I have the best idea. Guys, just bear with me for a second.
Wait up for me, everyone.
Okay, never mind. I was thinking that I was gonna be like
Are you guys
able
at
to
the
like
vault door?
use this pickaxe and use this zip line thing, but it
We are at
wouldn't
the vault door.
Yeah, are you guys at the vault door?
work. Oh, yeah, also I
We're
have
almost
nothing
at the vault
to
door.
use.
Did you get the key?
We haven't got there, but we're traveling.
Did you guys get the
You
key?
can travel,
Bobby.
dude? Travel? Wait, I see a house!
Yeah, we just came back from the OG map. We're almost to the vault door.
They went to an OG
Okay.
map? Okay, yo. I'm making it here, bro. I just spent all my research points on some weird looking hole. And now I'm just living here. Now, let me see how... Yeah, this is stupid, bro. You know my mindset... Wait, no, stop it.
Guys, are you
Stop
guys
it,
at the
stop it,
gingerbread
stop
house?
it.
No, we're not even up there yet. We haven't even got up to like the top yet.
Guys, there's a guy in your group that kills people.
You know what? Why don't I just use this?
Whee!
Are you guys at like the OG map?
Bro, I don't want to be your friend.
The OG map is here?
Where we will play the at the top.
Yeah.
Map of OGs here?
I'm at.
The map of
Yeah,
OGness
you
is here?
Jesse, for the...
I think this is the map of
Yeah.
OG.
Yeah.
Yeah, goodbye.
Yo, the team is
Get out of there! I was not going through all that, bro.
Let's go.
I need gear. I need the right gear. Are you serious? Yeah.
Yo, do you have a can you buy me? Hey sir, can you buy me something? Can you buy me what, these?
Knock yourself out.
Yay!
Does everybody know where's the wall to doors?
I've got.
Guys, we're almost
Wait, what?
there.
They have a whole.
Dude, there's
that's a
somebody.
special
I'm
area.
gonna find them that killed me.
Or was it you?
What? I can't buy the Twilight Hammer. Okay, I was about to say. I'm so broke that I can't buy the Twilight Hammer.
Dude, if you guys see a guy with a halo, immediately kill him.
Oh!
Okay.
Immediately kill. Oh, I'm in for the child. Wait.
Dude, why are you going back
Stop it.
up the hill?
You want a haunted mansion?
They said immediately kill him. I love killing people in this game. Did you see the way that I killed someone
You
last
gotta kill
time?
the guy
I
that
cooked
took my
them.
snowboard.
Wait, there's something over here
Kill
though.
him. You're not even like halfway up.
Whoa, it's a big mountain. That's so awesome.
Don't fall. I ain't gonna fall. Yeah, I think you should not fall. There's no way that I would be able to get back from falling down
Yeah,
there.
go to the little thing.
Also, my whole grappler is destroyed. The Yeet blade is broken. It seems. In the back of my mind.
Bro, you're not my.
Do you guys know what the heck Coco does?
They're all talking about some guy named this dark blue guy that likes killing. Now I'm up for the challenge with my mace,
Are you
or
at
my
the haunted
hammer,
house
and
yet,
my
Blue?
Yeet blade and my light to keep me from creepy monster. I wish I
Are
had
you guys
telekinesis in here.
Yeah, we're like all the way at the bottom. We're trying.
I'm still trying to process what just happened.
Let me guess, this nincompoop died and he doesn't know what just happened. Not to mention this guy's like, he sounds grown. Ah! No, I didn't. I thought you didn't like the word job. Alright. Now, obviously, I'm in for this challenge. Now, I wish I would be able to, like, I don't know, put this on my back or something. But, oh my gosh, that is
past that giant hill, there's still so much more. I see the top. Come on!
Now, the reason why I love this game so much is during the zombie update, I felt like I was...
Are you at the haunted house
I
yet?
was like the king of killing those zombies. Not the king, because you know who's the king of this world right now already. Like, what I meant by king was I was like amazing,
they're not even on my map.
fantastical whenever killing those little darn dumb guys. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about this. I wish somebody was here with me, bro. Oh! Well, I'm so mature. I'm so mature.
Wait.
I'm so mature. I need the therapist. That guy fucking die! Oh, wait, never mind. I think they're just there to be there. They like don't move. If any of you guys are feeling for shoot. Oh, looky here. Oh, it's a wire. I really am the best assistant. You know what? Get over here, little bro. She just died. He's scared of me. I'm like 6. I am just like 6. See that? He died once I walked at least like right next to him. I know y'all are feeling froggy, yo. Any of you guys are feeling froggy? Leave. It's probably gonna kill me once I go down, right?
Hey!
Wait! Oh my gosh! Yes, thank goodness! I need you, bro. My sleep paralysis demons are in here, bro.
I fell.
Look! Why are they here?
Yeah, you just have to go to where that. Yeah,
I accidentally used my other rocket.
I'm not gonna get out.
Bro, they're not
did you guys
killing
get the
me.
key to the vault?
They're literally just like big chilling. They're
Follow
just
me, show you
standing there.
something. Follow me.
Follow you for what?
Chichas. Can you shine your light here? What is going on?
I have no idea.
Yo, blue dinosaurs. They brought
Ask
back
me.
Slenderman, bro.
I know. People have been spawning
Can you
people
help
on him.
me?
Still my friend because he's creepy as hell, but he's still my friend.
Hey, bro, don't leave me. Don't leave
I
me.
won't. I'm just gonna.
Boys, I feel like I'm gonna die if I go inside that mansion.
You won't die. We're inside the mansion, but there's like some
Okay,
sleep
1 second.
paralysis demons. Sorry, I did not mean to hit you.
Follow me.
Alright.
Bye.
First, we gotta check what's in here.
Look,
I'm at the top. I just need to climb the peak.
Shop over here? No? I'm gonna...
I'm literally playing peak right now.
we have a flashlight.
Oh my gosh!
Here, someone give me a flashlight.
Let's go! We made it! Hey! We made it! Let's go! Alright, nincompoops, let's get out of here. right? But I am. See? Listen to this music, bro.
Man,
Darn
fuck
it, it starts to tear your meat.
Everybody, go back to the haunted mansion. We'll go in there.
Well, I'm
I
going,
ain't
but
going
don't
back to
left
no
me.
haunted mansion.
What's the point?
Yeah,
How
so,
terrified I was last time, so I saw the sleep corral schemes. I figured out that you can open up the door.
everybody go back to that. Everybody is with me on Dino Blue.
But
Go back to that
do
haunted
the
house.
devs know
We
science?
need a lot of
They should
flashlights,
know
okay?
that a
We're
lot of
getting a
force
flashlights.
bringing you down
And once
should make
we're
it
there, we will
impossible for you to
revenge
hang on
ourselves
with something
from
like
that
a
man
hammer.
which hurt us.
Like, you know what, y'all, watch this. I'm about to ruin my traveling like this, but I'm
Everybody,
just
I'm
showing
opening
y'all.
Everyone, wait for
I
us.
go up.
We're still down here.
It should
I'm
not
opening the
stop me
door.
from moving entirely. I should have, like,
Wait for me!
fell off.
I'm going to the lodge.
Over there.
Come away from... We opened the door! The vault is officially... You opened the what? The vault. Did you guys open up the vault?
Guys, wait for
Yeah, the
me!
vault is open. Come then.
Isn't there somebody at the vault that kills them? I forgot about this mofo until I got to the vault.
Let's go.
Guys, remember there's a killer in here. Oh shoot. I do not want to fall in there.
There's a killer here.
Don't you remember that guy that people were talking about? Said he would kill
Oh, yeah.
everybody? Yeah, I think we should. I have weapons. I'm like a samurai basically. I can probably kill him, alright? You can just watch me.
Wait, you can go like this. Ow!
Run, survive.
This is fun. Don't go in there. Do we have to go up here? Oh, crap. No, no, no! It's Larry! It's Larry!
He died. Wait, he didn't die?
Also, where do you mean the vault?
Bro doesn't know nothing about the map, bro. Can't be me. You know, we're actually gonna cheat.
Going to the vault.
There is no way you're saying I gotta get
No,
it.
it's,
Oh wait, no,
we
I
have to
don't.
go farther down, little bro. What are you saying? I might
They're
have
just talking about
accidentally
little
exploded myself. Can y'all wait? Can y'all wait for me?
Wait, bro, the
I'll
grid
come back.
actually be great for
Oh!
Be there right now.
like all.
Look, Mon, I'm good. Oh my God!
The axe
I'll keep on
seems like
getting
it's
jump
from
scared by
Resident
these
Evil or something.
explosive tank things.
It's from a game.
Once you get to the door, don't open the vault door until all of us...
What do you?
Hey,
The
we
vault
know
door
open
is
the
open.
vault door.
Where are you?
I am
It's a
far
giant
beyond
orange
the
door.
door
It's a
now.
giant orange door.
I'm like
giant and it's
the
orange.
beyond
What do you
right
think?
now.
I'm still all the way up the mountain. The frick you mean, massive giant orange? I'm good. Mommy, tell it to stop. Why is there a massive fucking Oh, I see it now, okay.
If you do, I'm gonna come to you and beat you up.
Come on, bro.
I see it.
Can't do anything.
Okay, wait right there for the rest of us. 'Cause I heard there's a
Oh, it's already open, it's already open.
super
I'm so annoyed of listening to
like the
it.
super ogre, like the big.
Vault's already open. We don't need the
What is the-
keys, because it's already open.
How good? What does the vault door even show you? Honestly, I'm just traveling just so I can
Open
find
the door,
that killer.
open the door now.
But
door is
also, to get the full experience of this update, first by killing somebody, but
Oh no, it's not
then
actually
I'm
open to
gonna,
everybody.
but I'm not gonna kill
You have to put
anybody.
it.
There's no one to kill.
What the fuck?
You know what, bro? This game, bro.
I'm sliding down
Kill
the
somebody.
vault door.
I don't know. You steal like
Ooh, this looks fun.
I actually
100,000
Guys, come into the bushy place. I want Larry here. He's going to kill me.
shekels
I
of
lost
gold.
my ski.
I mean, no, shekels of silver.
And
10
now I'm
shekels of silver.
Larry, dude, Larry!
Like
Get
the
out
gold
of here!
number.
Get out of here!
I died.
Then
I died. My third time
10
already.
shekels.
What the fuck? Well, my second time actually.
Come, Larry's
Okay,
gonna
where
come.
am I?
Bring
I
Larry.
don't know why I'm traveling anymore. Cause I've had this key for like a pretty long
Guys,
time
it
now.
didn't die. Somehow
I'm going
walked
above the
entire
void.
thing.
And now if I fall, I'm real fricked. I am
No!
real fricked right there. Man, I thought that was
I
like
died.
the mall.
Now this is my actual third time.
The mall is not in this game. Wish they added, bro. Wished that they added.
I died. What the frick,
I
man?
feel like I can see like
Why do I always have to die?
it'd be gone. Okay, this key is so annoying.
Skate down the vault, you'll see it.
You have to jump into the void. Yeah, see, let me go down there because it seems like I see a lot of death. Yeah, there's a lot of depth in there. Now we're on the same. Alright, let's just free fall. Free fall. Oh, we got choices now, eh?
Cause you don't jump down!
Guys, the black hole if you jump down.
Henry.
I legit just got resetting. No!
I know. It's crazy whenever that happens.
Well, I need a ski because I lost my other one.
It seems corrupted. Bro, what is this all about? First of all, I've been listening to, you know.
Can someone please slide down the vault and see me? I lost my ski.
Go get it yourself.
Oh,
I lost my ski and I don't know what to do now.
Go get another one. Go back to the start. Even though you have to walk, you just gotta do it sometimes. I've had to walk across the mountain while I was skating. I'm not joking either. It was hard. It was 12 fucking miles. How are you supposed to walk 12 miles?
Whoever's saying the effort in the
Yeah,
N-word,
I'm really fast, bro.
I did not say the N-word.
Okay, what?
yeah, you said the F-word, not the N-word. Go to your weapons away from you.
This game is so stupid.
Saying all the
I've been
F-words in the N-word.
sitting here
Green light.
doing some random crap with this key, talking about how it's gonna tear my meat. Like, you know how gay that sounds?
Die.
See?
Big cunt.
Like, bro, I can't be the first person that hears that. And what do you mean it seems corrupted?
Also, whenever you're skiing in real
Why are
life,
you
just
expecting
so
me?
you know you
Expecting
want
me,
to go
bro.
slow. Do not go insanely fast. You will die. Or you could go to the ER. I've gone to the ER 12 times this year. Just because of being the wrong way. Trust me,
Like this song seems
either
like
one right way.
the song this
I don't want you to
this
hear it.
song.
Map, there's a giant portal. Like, actually,
There's a massive fucking... What do you mean there's a massive portal? Like, is it actually massive?
no, it's like,
Yeah, I gotta go back down here.
I'm actually gonna cheat.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know if it's possible, but I'm gonna cheat.
Bro, Anita? Okay,
Guys, this
who
is
did
so
the
fun.
animal, why, who listened to this song? Which of the devs listened to this song? Then said, oh, this will be good for the new update in 40 minutes. They added, like,
somehow on the
because it sounded like this was a last minute song.
I am multiple pounds.
Because there's no way, they could have picked a better song than
This
this.
little documentary,
Like,
everyone
Darts
talks
to
about
tear your
actual
meat.
vault. You could fall through. You're a
come
badass.
on, bro.
Like my brother.
This song would be better in a Henry Stickmin playthrough, bro.
You could die. I would recommend don't stand on a vault in real life. If you're a fat ass like my brother, you'll die.
What?
Focus down. I can't even
Gotta
say it,
wait,
bro.
stay alive! Ah! Oh my gosh, let's go! Holy shit. No! Yeah, I'm ending this video right now. Good God.